are. B-Dub's down. We are. Come on. I'll get you one.
I take a babysitter time to be here. And they're like, you'll see. Well,
I won't say. I won't
take your
say
time
for a while.
Yeah, take your time. Trust me. You know it's like, don't you? Like, my mom has probably already blew up my phone twice. She's sick, and Joey's sick.
You've been texting me. Can I go to
Yeah,
bed?
yeah. Joey don't feel good, and my mom don't feel good, so it's kind of like a bad situation. So I had to be here. I wanted to see all you guys and say, I know this might be your last one. I was like, I gotta be there. I was like, no matter what, Mom, I have to go. So I laid him on her bed, took over a DVD player, because I don't have a DVD player. I had to hook it up, take DVDs, get everything set up. I'm like, now you guys good on your couch? Bye. I'm like, I'm out of here. Joe's like, try it faster. I'm like, dude, do you want us to get pulled over? God, I'm doing this. So my mom's like, you're dropping him off at 4? They open the doors at 4, Mom. It takes me like an hour to get there.
Right.
What do you want me to do?
Thanks for bringing Travis up, Polo.
No problem.
Gavin lost all their matches today.
I heard he wrestled some tough kids.
It's good for him when they do that.
His last one was a 2-time national champ, and Gavin, that was the best match I've ever seen in wrestling.
I cannot believe Joey's school, they start competition wrestling in kindergarten.
That's my boys are in kindergarten. That's who young are.
Joey's in his second year of wrestling. And now he's learning, like, the high school kids are, like, fell in love with him. So they're teaching Joey, like, how to dirty wrestle and how you can choke people without choking, like, without getting punched. You can use your forearm, all this dirty stuff. And now Joey's, like, mean. I'm like, they taught him how to do this bulldog thing. And I'm like, well,
Break him down, Brandon! Break him down!
it's crazy the stuff they're teaching. Joey will come home all excited. And he'll be like, Mom, you gotta call Chase. Chase, guess what I learned? And Chase will talk to him. They'll be like, call JJ, tell JJ. He loves it. My boy. Right? Mine's next. Yeah, that was terrible! I want to walk out with him. We watch my son.